this video, we will be covering about the basics. I will tell you how to know your skin type, if it's oily, sensitive, combination, dry. So we're going to talk about that. And then the second part would be which products or which ingredients you should look out for in your skincare regime. And before we get started, if you are meeting me for the first time, hi guys, I am Chitranshi and welcome to my channel. I make beauty and skincare related videos. So if you're interested in something like that, definitely subscribe to this channel. So it's really important that you know what is your skin type, because then only you'll be able to choose the best products for your skin type, and then they will show results on your skin. A lot of times this happens that somebody with a normal skin type feels that their skin is oily. This might be because you're using totally wrong products, and these wrong products are playing with your skin and making it oily. So let's start with knowing your skin type. It's very important, as I said, and the test is really simple. What you have to do is just wash your face and leave it as it is for 2 hours. You do not have to apply any toner, any serum, nothing. Just leave your face bare. कुछ भी नहीं लगाना है, and 2 hours are more than enough for your skin to show its original type. What happens is when you apply different products on your face, it plays with your skin type. We don't want that here, because we are here to test what our original skin type is. So we'll be leaving it as it is for next 2 hours, and then after 2 hours, just check yourself, check your skin in the mirror. So we will start with the first skin type. When after 2 hours you check your face in the mirror, you will see that if you have large visible pores, if your skin is all shiny, you know you are oily skin type, right? Every skin type has, pros and cons. With oily skin type, you have pros that since your skin is really good at sebum production, you get wrinkles really late. You do not face the problem of premature aging. But again, the con would be that since your skin is great at sebum production, you can get, your skin can break out easily and you can get acne if you do not put right products. Oily skin type people will have to look out for products which have salicylic acid in it, because salicylic acid is great. It penetrates your skin, it cleans all those clogged pores, and it reduces the chances of breakout. So this is something you need to look out for in your skincare regime or skincare products which you buy. Next thing that you have to avoid is alcohol based products. And see, I do not say that all the alcohols are bad for skin, but then the ones which are really harsh, you have to avoid denated alcohol or the products which have alcohol denat, because what you are doing is you're just stripping away your skin with the oil, and then your skin is like, oh, I need to produce more oil, so it in turn becomes more oily. So you have to stop using alcohol, which is extremely drying for your skin type. So stop using that and look out for salicylic acid. Also, for oily skin type, there are multiple face washes or face cleansers or products available in the market which have sodium lauryl sulfate. You need to stay away from these products which contains sodium lauryl sulfate, because this is something which is found in dishwashers, like dishwashing liquids and anything like that, because it's highly foaming. It erases all the grease from your, jhoote bartan and all of that. So you have to stay away from this ingredient, which is highly found in the products which claim that they are for oily skin type. So I told you need to look out for salicylic acid, stay away from SLS and denated alcohol. Let me suggest you a few products which you can actually go for. So for oily skin type people should look out for products which are gel based, which are not oil based. Make sure you look out for products which are water based or gel based, because they are great for your skin type and they will make your life easier. You can check out for the products which are from Dermafique or Neutrogena. They have cleansers which are great for oily skin type and that have salicylic acid in it. So look out for these products. I am going to link down a few products for all skin type in the description box below. So make sure that you check your skin type and the products I have listed. And talking about moisturizers for oily skin, you can look out for Clinique. Obviously, that's for people who prefer high-end brands. If you're looking for something affordable for oily skin type, you can definitely go for Clean and Clear oil-free moisturizer. The salicylic acid content is really less in it. It's like 0.5 or so. But then you can start off with it, and I think it will be great for your skin. Then moving on to the next skin type, which is dry skin. So after 2 hours, when you see your face in the mirror and then you feel that your skin is really stretchy, pulley, it's taut, it's tight, and you do not have any visible pores on your skin, then congratulations, you are blessed with a dry skin type. So again, the pros and cons. The cons, of course, would be that since you are dry skin type, your sebaceous glands are not producing proper oil for the hydration of your skin. You feel that your skin is stretchy and your skin is prone to premature aging. And talking about the pros of it, you have a very smooth skin. You have really, you know, just a surface of skin where pores are not visible, which people actually want. So again, pros and cons with both the skin types. Now for you guys, have to look out for products which are packed with hydration, moisturizers. They give your face a boost, because otherwise your face looks really dull because the oil is not produced by your skin. It looks very flaky and dry. So look out for the products which are rich in hyaluronic acid. I know it's great in market. You have a lot of products available with hyaluronic acid. So go and stock up on those products, and you need to look out for the masks which give your face a boost of hydration. So make sure, if you want to avoid premature aging with the dry skin type, you have to hydrate and moisturize your skin. That is the key for dry skin people. Obviously, you have to look out for the products which hydrate your skin. Facial cleansers that I can suggest would be one from CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, and the second one which I am a big and huge fan of, that is Cetaphil Gentle Facial Cleanser. So you can look out for any of these products. If not, look out for something which is rich in hyaluronic acid. Second thing that you have to do for dull and dry skin type is make sure that you do buy face washes which are rich in hyaluronic acid, but then face washes do not actually impact your skin because they are on your skin for not more than 2 minutes maximum, I'm sure. So look out for serums and masks and creams which are rich in hyaluronic acid. Giving you a few suggestions, it would be Cetaphil moisturizing lotion or cream. That is something which you can use. And then the second thing could be from Clinique. I'm just talking about a very few brand suggestions here, but in the description box you'll find a whole list of products that you can use according to your skin type. Let me just give you a logic behind why you use hyaluronic acid in your skincare. That's because hyaluronic acid has the tendency to absorb moisture from environment and then pack it in your skin. So that's why you need to look out for those products. The next thing which dry skin type people should actually do is exfoliate, because what happens, since you have dry skin, you have layer of dead skin cells accumulating on the skin surface. So make sure that you exfoliate your skin gently. You don't have to go over the top with the exfoliation, but do it on regular basis to keep your skin healthy. For exfoliation, what you have to do is you have to look out for products which are rich in glycolic acid. So there are multiple toners and serums available in the market which are rich in glycolic acid, because glycolic acid again has the tendency to exfoliate your skin, and it will definitely help out your skin. Do not forget to check out the products I suggested in the description box below. Obviously, the third type, which is a very common skin type, is sensitive skin. Sensitive skin type can be easily identified with redness. Redness is a big characteristic of sensitive skin type. That is what you will see after 2 hours in the mirror. And if you have sensitive skin type, you definitely know about it, because your skin keeps on breaking out every now and then. If you try any new product, it again reacts to your skin like anything. So basically, you're allergic to a lot of products. So for sensitive skin type, I suggest that you first of all avoid alcohol altogether, alcohol-based products I mean. And talking about the reason that why your skin is sensitive skin type, it's because your skin has problem with its moisture barrier. So when you do not have moisture barrier, anything or everything you apply on your face tends to react in very unexpected manner. So that's what you have to repair, that's what you have to improve. So there's one suggestion for sensitive skin type. What you have to do is you have to avoid fragrances altogether, because fragrances contains a lot of irritants which actually creates problem for your skin type. So look out for the products which are fragrance free. And then what is your basic skin type? So if you have dry sensitive skin, look out for the products which are suitable for dry skin type but do not have alcohol or anything like that in it. But if you have a little oily and sensitive skin type, look out for the products which are great with salicylic acid as I suggested, and then go for them. These products minus the fragrance will work best for you. Then another very common skin type is combination. You basically get the best of both worlds, and then the cons are you get worst of both the worlds. Combination skin type generally they have oily T-zone, which is like forehead and nose and chin area, and this area tends to be dry or normal. There's no product which works out for combination skin type. You have to treat the areas with different products. When it comes to masking, like when you're applying a mask, you should apply more clay-based masks on your T-zone area and more hydration-giving masks on this area of the face. You should try different products and see what works out best for you, because this area would be needing hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid, and this would be needing salicylic acid. So yeah, I understand your pain. So you need to have a lot of products in your cabinet. Another tip for combination skin type is that you do not overdo on the acid percentage. Like if you do not have the capacity to buy multiple products, then buy something which is low in the concentration of both types of acid, like something which has low salicylic acid and low hyaluronic acid, which will work best for you. And then the most blessed skin type in this world is the normal skin type. You will know it yourself in the mirror after 2 hours. You will not have any oiliness. It's very normal. It's not greasy. It's not over shiny. It's like balanced. Everything is balanced on your face. So thank God for that. Now what normal skin type people have to do is they have to take care of what they have got. That is very important. So what you can do is you can look out for antioxidants in your skincare products. Antioxidants basically will, help fight your skin with the damage which we face with the regular products and the regular conditions like sun, UV rays, pollution, all of that. So you need to help out your skin to fight those conditions. So look out for the products which are rich in antioxidants. Look out for those oils, those serums, those face washes. Again, I'm going to link down all of them in the description box below. So make sure you check out the products which are great for you. And just to tell you one product here, you can try and incorporate vitamin C in your skincare regime because it's a great antioxidant and it will work great for your skin type. So look out for those products which are rich in antioxidants. That's my tip for you people. Trust me, take care of what you have because a lot of people crave for your skin type. And no matter what skin type you have, I will always say that sunscreen is a must. Do not forget to put sunscreen and do not forget to include sunscreen in your skincare regime. It should be under your makeup and it is super important. So make sure that you have a sunscreen which is suitable for your skin type. Everybody has to include sunscreen in their skincare regime because sun damage is crazy and we do not want that on your skin, along with the problems which we already have. I'm again going to link down a lot of sunscreens in the description box below. Check out the ones for your skin type. And on this very note, I am going to say bye to you guys. I hope this video was helpful for you people. A lot of you have been requesting me to make a video on skin type. So here I am. I have already made it for you. If you've liked the video and you found it helpful, make sure that you let me know in the comment section below and you give this video a thumbs up. That means you like this video. Also guys, I'm available on Instagram. My Instagram handle is chitranshi.me. You can follow me there for more, recent, more frequent updates. And you can drop me a message there. You can DM me if you have any specific query. I make sure that I reply to every comment and every query and every DM that you people send. That's the least I can do for you guys. And what you can do is you can quickly subscribe to this channel to motivate me to keep creating these content for you people. And let me know in comment section below what would you like to see next, and I will try to definitely shoot it for you guys. And again, on this very note, bye. I'll see you again with a new video very soon.